Okay, some of you people out there, car fanatics, wanted to see some more Model T stuff. So, I will be showing you some Model T stuff. This is a Magneto. Now, you know why they call it a Magneto. There's all these magnets around it. And this is your flywheel. And these are your Magneto screws. Magneto clamps. They don't even make these anymore. There's right here the washers, Magneto washer, and these bolts right here. This would have to be clean, but it's serviceable. It's still good. So I hold on to it because I could rebuild this engine if I had the stuff, but I can't afford that. If I did have money, I would show you how to rebuild it. Basically, down here, I'll show you a little bit. Down here is where the screws go into a post hole that screws into there. These clamp down right at the base, and then these clamp down straight down the middle. And then there's these little posts right here. They're made of aluminum, so they won't corrode. But sometimes they do, regardless, no matter how hard you try. Corrosion is just something that happens. And, yeah. Well, that's pretty much it right there. Right here is the flywheel gear. And the flywheel gear is held in by this screw that goes through here. You want to know how you put these in? Screw has to slip into that. And then, yeah, you slide it. Here. This goes right here. And then you slide this through. But you have to make sure this is at the bottom. Then you're able to get it into there. And then it screws into the flywheel gear. And that's pretty much it on that. And then this goes to that little hole I showed you. And then they bolt in place. And then there's all these all around. It takes to run the Model T. You can run it without a starter. It can run on magnetic power. Once you crank it, it generates a circuit. And then you're able to just start it that way.